The flag sequence number 7 has no flag. There it is. We have a pole, I believe, which is this one, and then we have another pole here. So that becomes pole 8. Pole 7 is this one over here. So once we have the ending of a flag, the rules state that no matter what, ending of a pole, the pole ends at this here because of that break. The entry becomes a close below the lowest anchor of the finished pole. Now the lowest anchor of the finished pole is right here. So we draw a line. Any close below this line before a high anchor forms above the highest anchor of this pole, or a new flag forms. Well, a flag doesn't form until this point in time, and then this basically means that our trade would be triggered here as an entry, and the height of the flag would be the high-low of the pole. So there's the high, there's the low, so that would be our trade right there. This is a great example of a no flag break. Okay, so again, I'm going to just clean everything up and go over it one more time. We have two lower poles. Once the first pole ends over here, we mark the 2 points. Okay, we do not take a trade until either we get a break below this line. If we do, before a new flag forms, or we get higher action up here, we take the trade. If we get higher action up here before this point, we do not take the trade. Or if another trend line forms creating a flag, we do not take the trade, because had a flag been created, we would have taken the trade that way. But no flag trades, price action is going down, and we take this down. Okay, so that was a pretty straightforward trade. We measure the pole, so I'll just do a quick trade entry. Now, interesting to note that this trade would not have counted, sadly, because at the time this trade was given permission, well, at the time the trade triggered, rather, we still did not get permission to trade. Remember, we can only start trading once we have a new winning trade. The winning trade did not happen until here. This trigger only occurred just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 bars before. Therefore, at that time, it was not permission granted. So that's that. Moving on to the next trade.